Hi family, welcome to Erkon YouTube. This is Erkon from Ethiopia, trying to show Ethiopian living style, Ethiopian adventure, Ethiopian culture, Ethiopian clothing, whatever. So I'm here to show everything about Ethiopia, okay? Just don't forget to subscribe. If you want to know, if you want to understand something about Ethiopia, okay? This is the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and like. So today I will show you my weekly grocery. I want to go to market, like some local market, and buy something including like something just I need for this coming month, okay? Coming week. So I will buy everything I need. So let's go together and buy and this weekly groceries. Okay, so I will not go to the market, the supermarket. I go to the local customers, local market. I will go to local market and buy. I will show you price and how we can sell and buy. Okay, so let's go to the local market to buy some groceries, some as in I call it is aspeza in Afan Oromo, okay, in Amharic. So let's go to buy and we will see how much it is. Let's go. This is our card. This is a bit like the map of Ethiopia over here, okay? So we will do this. We will fold this and we will back, okay? How much money to fold this card? አንተ አትጫወትም? So we are on the way to market, local market, to buy weekly grocery. So let's go and check it how we survive in Ethiopia with medium income, like not that much high income, with medium income, with middle income, how Ethiopian middle income living. I will show that. In today's video, we will see how Ethiopian with middle income, like medium income, not that much exaggerate or not that much high income, with how Ethiopian middle income family living. You will see that in this video. Okay. As I told you, I hope you are subscribing to my video. So let's go and buy something for the coming week. Okay, we will see it. Just if I don't forget, I will buy everything I need in this week. Okay, so let's go to the market almost. I will arrive almost. I will arrive in 5 minutes. Okay, so let's go and get you at the market and our market is like around that. So we will see how much I need to fold this. Okay, I hope I will fold it with, it will be food with 1,000, because I'm gonna to buy potato, tomato, something like that, not something expensive. So I will fold it with 1,000 Ethiopian birr. Okay, let's go. Here is our market. ሰላም ነው። ስኳር ድንች አለ? ስኳር ድንች የለም? ኤስ ስኳር ድንች 2 ኪሎ ድንች ኖርማል ድንችም አለ አይደል? ድንች አለ 3 ኪሎ አለ። አዎ ይሄ ማከለኛውን አድርግልኝ። እሺ ትላልቅ ብዙ ነው አይደል? ያ ትንሽ እሱ እንትን የለም። ይሄን ግን ወስደህ ያስገባ ይሄ ብቻ ይበቃል ለቤት። እሺ እሺ This is my customer, so I will buy always from her now. I bought sweet potato, 2 kilograms of sweet potato and 3 kilograms. And 3 kilograms of normal potato. ሽንኩርት አለኝ። ሙዝ አድርግልኝ። ሙዝ 1 ኪሎ። እሱ ሲቀመጥ ይበላሽብኛል ቤት። ስንት አደረከው? 3 ነበር ያልኩህ፣ ግን ይሁን አድርገው፣ ችግር የለም። ምን ነው እሱ? ምንድን ነው? ብርሃን ባንክ ይዘ ከፍ ወይ ትንሽ ስንት ያደረከው? ስንት ኪሎ ነው? 230 ሆነ። ይሄኛው ነው ስንት ነው ኪሎ? እሱ 150 ዙኪኒ ነው። ምንድን ነው? የትኛው ነው ዙኪኒ? ይሄ ዙኪኒ ነው። ይሄ እሱ ኪያር ነው። ጥሬ የሚበላውን አድርግልኝ። እሺ ፍሬሹን አድርግልኝ። እሺ ደረቁን ነው የፈለገው። እሺ የበሰለውን ግማሽ 1-3 ፍሬ ምናምን። ስንት ነው ኪሎስ? 180። ካሮት 1 ኪሎ። ሎሚ ስንት ነው ኪሎ? አረ እንደዛ ምን በዚህ ብዙ ነው። እኔ ላድርገው። ቆይ ይሄ ሁሉ ነው የኔ ነጋዴ ነኝ እንዴ? ሆነ ነው ችግር የለም። በቃ 60። እሺ ሽንኩርት አድርግኝ ደግሞ። እሺ ሽንኩርት አንተ ነው ወደቀ። ሽንኩርት ሩብ ቲማቲም አድርግልኝ። ደግሞ 1 ኪሎ። ምን አላገኘሽውም እንዴ? ብርሃን ባንክ ደርሶብሽ ነው? ብርሃን ባንክ ይመጣል። መቶ ብር ነው እሱ። ነጭ ሽንኩርት ግማሽ ሩብ ግማሽ 125። ይሄ ስንት ነው? ብዙ ቀን ይቆያል። አዎ እንዴ ምን ቀረ? ምንም አልቀረኝም።
ሌላ ቃሪያ
የአንቺ ሰዓት ስንት ሆነ?
የኔ ሲል ጀምርልኝ።
እቺ ቲማቲም አድርግበት በደንብ እንትን አድርጋ። ቲማቲም አይችልም። በደንብ አስተካክለው እስኪ እንዲችለው አድርግልኝ እንትን our cart is full. Like, you can't add more than things. We bought something, we bought many things, so it's enough. Our cart is full. Let me show you. And it is above expected. So let you see how much it costs. Okay. I have to call Bajaj. It's too heavy. I can't hold it. So let's find the Bajaj and go visit. So I'm back from the local market. It costs around 1,900. So I planned to cost only 1,000 to put that cart, but it takes around. It is more than half. Yes, more than 100. It's around 100% extra money I spent. So I will show you how much it cost, just including every items you can see on this screen. I hope you like my video. Just don't forget to subscribe and put comment on the comment section what you feel. Then I will back with another amazing Ethiopian video. Thank you for watching, and write how much these items in your country, in your local market. So let us compare it. So I'll back with another amazing video. Thank you for watching. This is Erkon from Ethiopia. Try to improve his English and try to show Ethiopian culture, Ethiopian adventure, Ethiopian clothing, dressing culture, whatever in Ethiopia. I will show you step by step. Just don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.